Okay guys. Hello everyone. Sabelo speaking again here. So this is a midweek analysis video that is always going to come on Wednesdays. Okay, so now I'm just going to share with you the trades that I was running, the trades that I was taking throughout the week, not throughout the week, in the beginning of the week, or the other ones was taken last week Friday. So I'm just going to go through all of those, trades that are currently running, and just to give you an overview and a thought process of why I took them, why I'm holding them, why I closed them. Because some of them, Usd Swiss I closed at break even, and the US dollar versus the Swiss franc, I kept on holding even when the market was trying to go against me. And just to give you a thought process of why I do what I do on my trades. Okay, so let's start with the new one, which is the Euro USD. Okay, looking at the daily time frame, this thing is telling us that we are selling, but me, I'm buying. Okay, so me, I'm buying because of these things. Firstly, okay, let's start with the technicals. Okay, before we go to the technicals, guys, so important to go first to the sentiment of the market, just to see the strength or the weakness of the market. So this is our strength. Currencies that are pushing to the upside is ZAR, which is South African Rand, NZD, and Australian dollar. So these ones are buying. Okay, these ones are buying. And then the JPY, US dollar are still bearish, and then these ones are flat. These ones are flat. Even GBP, GBP, I was expecting a little bit of a buy, a bullish momentum for this week, but it's still there. It's still here in the neutral group. So that is not, that is not good for me, as I was looking for a buy. But let's hope for the best. Let's hope that next week maybe we may see GBP pushing to the upside, Euro pushing to the upside again, and then yeah. So let's dive into the trading view platform now, that where we analyze. So daily time frame on the Euro USD. We saw the euro trying to go down, the euro is trying to go down, but now it was oversold. It was oversold here, and I've seen that the US dollar on the other side. Remember, whenever you want to trade Euro USD, you must pair. In fact, all of the currencies. I love the foreign exchange market because we have two currencies. For example, we have the euro and the US dollar. We don't have just one instrument, we have two instead. So we are able to see what's happening on this one and what's happening on this one. Then after that, we'll be able to spot a trade. So remember now the US dollar is pushing, it's pushing to the downside, while the euro is neutral. So that's a buy for us. That's a buy. Okay, that's a buy. So now we have the US dollar is selling, while the euro is neutral, but it's a little bit selling, -3. So I'm not quite sure what's going to happen in the next week, but I'm hoping it's going to go up. Why? It's because it had been going down for more than 3 weeks. If we can just go back, we've been selling it. We've been selling the euro. Look at this here, -5, -5 on the 13th of October, 12th of October, still selling, 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 selling. So whenever you see the market selling, 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 there will be some time whereby the market is going to start ranging, 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 and then going up. Okay. So now we are in a ranging phase because now the euro is here in a neutral group. So now we may expect a buy maybe next week, but this one is already up because we are pairing it with a weak currency. So that's why I'm still in the trade. So that's it on Euro USD. Okay, let's talk about the entry. Okay, as you can see, guys, we had this consolidation here, equal lows and equal highs, something like a consolidation phase. And then we saw a breakout. We do not trade when we didn't see a breakout. We really need to see a breakout. A breakout is telling us that the market is now respecting our correlation numbers. Okay. So if the market is not respecting your correlation numbers, do not trade it. Wait for a clear breakout, followed by a retest, and then try to catch the low of the day and then ride the trade to the upside. Okay. So now we are up already. The signal was given also. So I'm going to show you all of the trade that I've given out. Okay, this one I didn't get a clear break. As I was saying, let's wait for a clear break, pull back, and then a buy. So here, remember, this is euro versus the Swiss franc. Now the euro is sitting at -3, while the Swiss franc is also sitting at -3. So I'm expecting to see the euro going up, and I'm expecting to see the Swiss franc still going down because the Swiss franc has been ranging, guys. We've been, this thing has been in this neutral group for quite some time. So I'm expecting now a breakout. So as you can see, it was in the neutral group here, neutral group here, neutral group here for more than 2 weeks. Yeah, as you can see, that was a week ago. This thing has been there for like more than 2 weeks. So I'm expecting now a big shift, a sell, so that we can buy it. Okay, so this one maybe it's going to play out, maybe, I'm not sure, maybe next week. But once we see a clear break, boom, and then we're gonna wait for the market to come and retest this zone, and then bullish engulfing or the low of the day. I like to catch the low of the day. Why? Because I want to enter at a very it's a very nice entry, taking a sniper entry, waiting for a consolidation. I mean, a pullback, 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 and then low of the day here is normally going to happen around the opening of the New York session. That's when you're gonna see, something like a W pattern, and then enter there, put a stop loss below, and then ride your trade until your TPS hit. Okay. So GBP USD, on this one we are still buying. Okay, this was the first entry that I missed, but this one I caught and this one I caught today. So the signal was also given for free, guys. It was given for free, so you can come and enjoy the signals. The link is going to be below in this video, in the below this video, guys. So if you want to join the free Telegram channel just to see how I trade, how I give out signals, then you can come in and enjoy those free signals. Gbp Swiss. So GBP, as I was saying, GBP and Swiss, this is a little bit a risky trade. Okay, I'm going to explain why. Swiss and the GBP. GBP is neutral as it's in this group here. And the Swiss franc also is still in this group, but I'm expecting to see the Swiss franc still going maybe saying maybe next day I'm expecting to see the Swiss franc sitting like -4 or -5, then that means it's going to come into this group here. Then on GBP, I'm expecting to see GBP moving from here to this group. Then after, we are going to see a clear buy on GBP Swiss. Okay, so I'm expecting a clear buy on GBP Swiss. But now the stop loss is at break even. As I was telling you in the middle of the day today, that move your stop loss to break even. Here on GBP Swiss, move stop loss to break even. As you can see, move stop loss to break even. And then the other one was GBP USD. I told you to move your stop loss to break even here. But now the GBP USD is now going up nicely. We almost missed a lot of pips on these two, GBP USD and the GBP Swiss. Yeah. So let us proceed. USD Swiss. This one is old, guys. This one is old. We've been in this consolidation box for like okay, from Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So today is Wednesday. We've been in this consolidation box for like 4 days, okay, 3.5 days. But now I'm expecting a clear break because remember the Swiss franc is sitting at -3, while the US dollar is also sitting at -5. Okay, so this one, guys, I'm a little bit skeptical about it. Okay, so let's go back here. Let's go back. I'm a little bit skeptical about this one. Why? Because the US dollar is saying we are selling. And the Swiss franc, yes, it's here in the neutral group, but this -3 here, guys, is a sell, okay? It's a sell. So if you are pairing a weak currency with another weak currency, the graph is going to range. So that's why I'm a little bit skeptical. So the best way, guys, the best way is to move your stop loss to break even, because this thing can come back like this. Maybe it can make a big range. I'm not sure. So, but just to protect our money, guys, better to move your stop loss to break even, or you can close the trade. Okay. Then let's see how much we've made so far. 1.3. That's good. 1.3. That's good. Okay, so maybe I'll update you tomorrow, guys, whether we are closing it or we are holding it, because this thing is going to change tomorrow. The numbers are going to change, so we will anticipate after we've seen the change of the market. That's when I'll give you a clear, a clear direction for this one, whether we are closing it or we are moving stop loss to break even or we are holding it. So I'll give you the update. All right, the Euro ZAR is also crashing nicely, but I didn't enter this trade. But I was looking at the market, just that I entered the USD ZAR. I didn't enter the Euro ZAR because they move the same. But this trade from here, that was a very nice trade. Okay, let's talk about the US dollar ZAR. This is a perfect trade, guys. The signal was okay. Let me just show you in the free Telegram group that all of these trades were given out for free. That's why I'm telling you to join the different Telegram channel. Why I'm saying you must join this, because I'm giving you, a taste of what I'm offering from now until December 2021. You are going to get all of my signals for free from today up until the last day of this year. So that is 3 months full. Okay, that is 3 months full. Why I'm saying it's 3 months full? Because I was already giving out the signals from September, and then it's like October, November, December. It's 3 months full. So yeah, come and enjoy the free signal. So we've given it Euro USD for a buy, GBP USD for a buy. Okay, that was Euro USD. USD Swiss, TP smashed. Okay. USDs are, I was telling you guys to sell it, boom, sell it. Now it's going down. It's down, guys. So GBP Swiss for a buy, GBP USD for a buy. Okay. So those were the trades for a week. Okay, this one was taken on Friday for a sell, US dollar Swiss. So now we are here. We are here. Okay, so please join the free Telegram channel because it's free to join. Just click the link below. I'll just give you the link below this video, guys. So let's proceed. US dollar Swiss, the US dollar Mexican peso. This one is, I'm expecting a sell, a pullback there, and then a continuation for a sell because the US dollar, remember, is sitting at -5. Okay, that's a big sell. Okay, that's a big sell. You must keep on selling the US dollar pairs. Okay, now we have the AUD Canadian dollar. Okay, let's check the sentiment of the market. Let's check what's happening. AUD AUD is pushing up with +5, and then Canadian dollar is neutral with +3. So that means we can still buy AUD CAD. We can buy it. We can buy it. But +3 is a little bit buying, but I'm still going to buy it once I see a pullback. Why? It's because the Canadian dollar has been buying, has been here in this group for like for more than, I think now it's more than 3 months. I mean 3 weeks. It has been here for like quite some time. So now it's time for a sell. See, it was buying aggressively, +5, +7, +5. It has been buying, as you can see, guys. So now I think it's a good time for what? For a sell on Canadian dollar. So here I'm just waiting for a pullback. I'm just waiting for a pullback and then a continuation. Then TP is going to be somewhere around there. And then let's look for this one. Okay, this one, guys, I was still waiting for a pullback, but I didn't get it. Even now, the market is not giving us a pullback. So, and the NZD is buying aggressively, as you can see, +7, that's a good buy. So, yeah. But if I can get a pullback, maybe towards to this order block here, and then I'll be buying. Okay, so yeah, that's it, guys, for now. Oh, there's another one here. I'm still waiting for a pullback as well, then I'll enter here. But there is GBP ZAR. So if GBP is still flat, maybe with +1, and then the ZAR is still bullish, then we will enter this one for a sell. But if the GBP is changing directions, then I will stay away from this one. But obviously you'll be updated, guys. I'll keep you updated. Same thing here, Canadian dollar versus ZAR. This one is the one that can play out very nicely. Why? It's because of the Canadian dollar now. I'm thinking it's going to be in this group here. It's going to sell. So that's why I'm so confident about this one. pull back and then I sell. So this going to be a nice one. This one I'm not 100% sure, but this one I'm quite sure about it. Once we get a pullback and then an entry pattern, somewhere around in this zone, then I'll give you a signal. And okay, here nothing interesting so far. All right, so yeah, that's it, guys. Yeah, enjoy your day. If you like my videos, just hit a like button, or if you are still want to subscribe. If you want to join the free Telegram channel here, which is free, you can come and join and enjoy my free signals, guys. Free signals. Okay, guys, I'm signing out. Have a good night. Bye.